Presenting the 2008 Land Rover LR2 HSE. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are CD player, power moonroof, 9 speakers, auto-dimming rearview mirror, power steering, headlight cleaning, heated seats, and leather interior. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.